Please, mother, spirit was like, give them a message. When I was talking about the 1 2 1 2 energy in a certain sequence, yeah, I was referring to also with bubbles going, yeah, that to do with the flower of life. The energy is. So after I did that video, I heard in collective like, should we call on Zozo? Should we call on Zozo? Call Zozo. Call on Zozo. You don't want to, for real, you don't. Oh my god. Anyway, I ignored that. So I didn't go online and comment on that because I was like, let them be in their freaking energy. So I did the book of Enoch, the debunking, or no, the hierarchy projection, yeah, and where I explained that uh, duality are basically a choice between two energies, yeah. Dharma karma is an extraction or a copy of that. Um, Good versus evil, ditto. And it all boils down to, are you living, choosing hell, or are you choosing heaven in your vibration? If you have been choosing to live hell, so choosing that, you are in frequency, yeah, you are in coexistence with that freaking energy. So when you call on, you signed your own freaking thing, yeah. Anyway, now they would be coming in like, what did they say today? After they fucked up, they commented like, but religion, we are religion, kind of energy. And my collective was like, throw them some cards. They are not that I got a sended message, as in, uh, so a download or a channeled message is a sended message of an akash. Yeah. Let's hold it together. I'm laughing so hard now, trying to keep it. So they gave me that message, and it was about, uh, didn't anyone connect the dots with we are Legion or something, and then the Templars? There is a correlation with their version of legions. Oh, we are Legion, blah blah blah. Shit. Yeah. Trying to, they mistakenly depleted their money based on the notion of their interpretation of knowledge. That you, yes, you have to come to their level, some don't come down, so to speak. So let us build spaceships and then we are at their level. No, you are not. They see it as comical. You're the clown. That's try to be, wanna be. Thank you. I was going to do a video, but we were like, let's have a higher vibe, yeah, after the Black Sun serious vibe, because all is a lesson. The split between is for the majority um, just a breather, basically, yeah, to get the edge off. Oh, you're freaking going to through karma. Ooh, that's a lot. Can we? Yeah, jump around you. We leave you. Yeah, no. You're fucked. Oh, so top of the deck, we get the mantis beings. They are enigma, elusive, sensitive, and we got the hermit, word of God, creating all, alchemy and transformation, rules natural events, who helps with spiritual guidance. We got vegans, solitude, independence, and peace. And that's what the majority of the beings are, peaceful, but they have to act when you assault them, when you attack them, they react to the reaction. Underneath that, we have the Two of Cups, uh, the swiftly hearkening God. Fruition provides expansive intelligence and gives the grace of God. And I hear somebody swearing, like, I made the wrong choices. Merkaba, movement, long distance, travel, excitement. Underneath that, we have the Seven of Pentacles, the lovely God. Discernment, general prosperity, the deliverance of prisoners. Sometimes when I read, the words will change into something else. That is a gift of a magician. Anyway, you don't want to see these cards. Anyway, so sentience, resilient, bold, and sassy. Underneath that we have the magician, generous god, spiritual wisdom and magic, helps one gain wisdom and discover hidden secrets. Now more people are laughing at the fuckers that thought it would be funny or convenient to call in. I'm trying to read the cards, but whew, the laughter is so freaking loud. And I don't know if I can pronounce this correctly, but Pasica, Pisces, divine feminine, birthing, fertility, two of swords, God Lord of all virtues. I can't make it up. Breaking the circle, lifts, opposing barriers. Can I just, Spirit, thank you very much. Lifts, opposing barriers, brings victory. How is life treating you? Growth cycles, circles, messages, curiosity, signs. Ooh, you should have listened to those. Ace of Pentacles, the adored God, divine blessings, drives away evil spirits, rules agricultural production. Say thanks, that's important. Evans, mystery, reading between the lines, intuition. That's what they didn't do. Or they thought they did. Anyhow, Queen of Cups, God the Redeemer, redemption, serves against enemies of religion, governs chastity. Chastity, yeah. You didn't. Yes, you did. The Galactic Federation, collaboration, meetings, community. This is why they said we are actual legion. Metatron, can't make it up. Wheel of Fortune, the recording angel. Advancement and progress. Teaches, guides, and records events in the Book of Life. So, how about that message? And I'm going to enjoy the energy. Wishing you the best. See you in the next. Bye.